Meaning of dehumidifier.
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 Dehumidifier. A dehumidifier is an electrical appliance that reduces the level of humidity in the air. It works by drawing in damp air and passing it over refrigerated coils, which causes the moisture to condense and collect in a water tank or be expelled through a drainage hose. The result is drier air and a more comfortable indoor environment, as excessive humidity can cause mold growth, respiratory problems, and damage to furniture and electronics. Dehumidifiers are commonly used in homes, basements, and other areas prone to high levels of moisture.